Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel without butter and cream. Start by dissolving sugar in just enough water to wet the crystals, then heat gently over medium heat. Avoid stirring vigorously once boiling begins, and instead swirl the pan to keep color even. When the syrup reaches an amber color, remove from heat and quickly stir in a non-dairy liquid or oil to achieve silky texture and shine. Pick ingredients that mimic the fat and body of classic caramel without dairy. Full-fat coconut milk adds richness and a hint of flavor, while neutral oils like canola or light olive provide smoothness without altering taste. Corn syrup or glucose can be used sparingly to inhibit crystals and keep the caramel glossy. Measure liquids carefully and warm them slightly before adding to hot sugar to avoid violent bubbling or splitting. Technique makes the difference between grainy syrup and silk. Cook over medium heat in a heavy pan and resist stirring once boiling starts, using gentle swirls instead. Pay attention to color transitions from pale gold to deep amber and test a small drop on a spoon for texture. When you reach the desired hue, remove from heat and slowly incorporate a warmed non-dairy liquid while whisking to form a smooth, emulsified caramel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.